Okay guys, on this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to go from corner to sidewall with the new PlierTek reversible heads. This is pretty much what the heads look like. You have corners on one side, side on the other. So let me show you a corner example. Let's say you're working on a corner. Let me zoom in. You have full case visibility. You can detail around it, work around a certain spot, or just press the whole corner. Another good feature about this is the heads are slightly elevated, so you don't have to be worrying about touching any of the components. Let me zoom in. So as you detail the corner, you're not touching any of the components. So there's no motherboard removal needed. Let me show you a sidewall example. To go to sidewall, you just loosen up the screws and twist the heads. This is all CNC made, excellent quality, steel plated heads. That's what sidewall looks like. You always have full edge visibility so you can see what you're doing. You also have full control. And here is an example of how the heads are slightly elevated. Excellent quality, lifetime warranty. Thanks for watching.